You want me to start talking?
You can do whatever you want.
Don't delete this from the video either. Okay.
I won't.
Alright, check this out. I'm gonna teach everybody on YouTube how to be a Yu-Gi-Oh! Pro. You gotta own this card. This card right here. If you don't have this card, you're not a pro. This card is worth every penny that people say it is, and it's not broken at all because I'm pro. And I got like 8 of them. See? You gotta play with white sleeves, okay? You have to play with white sleeves. If you don't play with white sleeves, then you're gonna lose, okay? Like, the color of your sleeves is everything, right? You gotta have a pretty friend. No homo. No homo. Your friends have to be pretty. And you gotta have the beats. I'm getting there. I'm getting there. You gotta play this deck right here. Hold up, let me show you. You have to play this deck.
I'm the pretty friend.
You have to play this deck. If you don't play this deck, you will lose. Like, you're not pro if you don't play this deck. I'm sorry. Yes. Random disclaimer. This deck sucks. Right? Jesus. And if they not hollow, it's something wrong. These ain't even came out. You can't even get these no more. They're not hollow. You can't get these anymore. I'm telling you. Check this out. Check this out. You have to have an ARG mat. Alright? You have to have the ARG mat from Open Series. The first one, not the second one. The second one was garbage. The first one was fun, but garbage. Like, I'm done. Like, you have to have a monster binder. And if you're black, it has to be gold. Like, there's no other way. It has to be gold, and it has to be a Phoenix Wing Wind Blast on first page. And you're not a pro. You're not a pro. You have to have a mat tube, okay, with a red top. If it's not red, you're not pro. Remember that. If it's not red, it has to go. I'm not gonna say deuces because I'm not finished. You have to have beats, okay? These beats. You have to have these. If you don't have these,
that color, right?
If you don't have these, listening to nothing at all, by nothing at all, you're not gonna win. See, they go on your head like this. They go on your head like this, or like this, or they go around your neck like this, and you listen to nothing at all by nothing at all. You see what I'm saying? Like, it's so pro. Like, you have to have an iPhone that you can't use to take life points because it's Yu-Gi-Oh! And it's just great. Like, I'm telling you, iPhone with a cute girl on front. I'm telling you, it works. Or anime character, if you're into that type of shit, don't watch it inside. But John is real. Let me show you what you gotta have. You gotta have the APG calculator. APG calculator. I'm telling you why. Shit's a useless and they cost $5. You have to have them. This is like essential for you to get. You have to have the monster dice or the monster die. Like, I'm telling you. Or you can have this phone right here. It's the same. Follow Fresh Prince page and buy t-shirts. Follow the Fresh Prince page. Buy t-shirts.
Turn it on. Let them see what they're following.
Be fresh like me. I'm telling you. And once again, what it takes to be a Yu-Gi-Oh! Pro, you have to own this card right here. I'm telling you. If you don't own this card, then you lose. Like, okay, if you can't overlay two Gaga Magician to summon this, you're not gonna win. Like, okay, if you can't overlay 2 Blackwing Shiras, you're not gonna win. This card is broken, right? That's why I'm the greatest Yu-Gi-Oh! Player of all time. And I challenge all you guys to beat me. Look for me on Dueling Network. My name is Lacey Duval, XXX.com. Look for me on Dueling Network, alright? Or look for me, the famous Ray Dolo, Hobo, Solo, Ho-Ho. Or my name's Just Incredible. Okay? Just look for me on Dueling Network. I got like 8 accounts because I got banned like 10 times. And yeah, like, just be pro. Like, just remember, if it's not pro, it has to go. That shit's so gay, deuces.
No, he ain't thirsty.
Random disclaimer. All you guys on YouTube are awesome. Yu-Gi-Oh's awesome. Have fun with that shit. I'm just joking. I love the fucking game. Pokemon's pretty cool also. Play that shit. X and Y are fucking amazing until PS4 comes out. Remember that. But random disclaimer, I fucking love you guys. You're fucking awesome, and I'm not being mean to anybody. Shit's just funny.
Yes.
Have a good day. Jet light to the next one.